What's up, guys? It's July 8th, 2024. Hope you had a good July 4th weekend. Looks like the market pulled back today. Daily chart, 45 minute. We can add another gap made by the bulls. Yeah, so bulls are still putting in gaps. Small, it was a very shallow pullback, but the market is actually trying to close above yesterday's high. That'd be good for the bulls. Bears, this is definitely a bad sell signal for the bears. Okay, that's pretty close. Let me save it. Yeah, so we can see all the bull gaps are open. Bear gap closed. We kept going. No gap here for the bears. Now we have four bull bars on the daily. Really nice rally on the 45 minute. So the market's breaking out still. Close doesn't look like it's the best. Oh wait. Yeah, so the opens right here. Doesn't look like bulls are gonna get that. Yesterday's close is right here, and if they close above it, that's still a trending high. So they want to, at least bulls are trying to get the close above this bar to make the daily chart look like it's trending. 2 seconds. All right. So big gap up and bar one is continuation. When I saw that, I was thinking maybe we have some sort of weak bull trend day. And we actually did get that if you think about it. Very deep pullback, and now bulls are closing above yesterday's high. So that's good for them. When I saw this happening, I was thinking, okay, we could start to test bar one's range because bar one's a good bull bar with a gap up. Bears failed to close the gap twice. The market's been more range bound. I mean, here's two legs, but there's way more overlap today. Overlap, quick push lower, overlap, quick push lower, and then overlap. You could trade these legs though. These look like some nice bull legs. Gap up, bar one is a good bull bar. Bar two looks like it could be pulling back. People could be taking profits because the risk is too big. Bar three, good for the bulls, bad for the bears that are trapped here. The market traded one tick lower and reverse higher, trapping bears. Bars four and five give the market a wedge top appearance, and bears get two legs lower. Leg one, pull back leg two into the EMA, pull back leg three, leg four, and then the market goes sideways. So that's the market cycle, right? Breakout range, breakout channel range, breakout channel range. So market broke out below the EMA, and then we start the channel, and then we range. So the market cycle kind of wraps within itself. The last leg in the channel was the first leg in the range. So, that breakout, it's really weak. The really weak bear bars, good tails, that's good for the bulls. This does show that bears are selling, so they're likely to sell higher if they get trapped. Bar 15, inside bar. Bar 16 is also an inside bar. That's not good. Bar 17 fills bears and trades up to the high of 16. Bar 18 also fills bears and then reverses higher. So a lot of bears are getting trapped. Bar 19 races up and pulls back. This creates a double top. I think bar 24 is a good short for a swing. A swing can last up to an hour, catch about 4 to 10 points. I think 4 points is minimum for a swing. So I think bar 24 was a good swing, and it did lead to two legs lower, leg one, pull back, leg two. I haven't used this tool in a while because it doesn't really matter. But look, it was symmetrical. Yeah, that was symmetrical. Bars 24 to the low of 26, pull back leg two, and the market goes sideways again. We go range bound. So this is a vacuum test of yesterday's close. Bears failed to close below yesterday's close. The market reverses. Bulls are going sideways here. The bears are unable to make a new low. Bulls are struggling. A lot of bull bars into the high of 32. EMA is acting as resistance, but with 48, 49, and 50 to get the breakout. Leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. It kind of looks like a wedge top bull flag. It had a bearish breakout. we're trading below here, so there are more sellers sitting right here and more buyers sitting here at yesterday's close. We've been in a bull trend for quite some time. From the low of two, no, excuse me, that doesn't make sense. I mean, we've been in a bull trend for ages, since last October, or not even that. Yeah, last October. But what I meant when I said that was within the last 3 days, it's been trending higher. So it'd be hard for the Bears to get a full on reversal. It takes time for the Bears to get the reversal, like a slow moving ship. It's gonna take time for the market to lose, bulls to lose momentum. It already kind of looks like the market's pulling back. We're catching up to the 45-minute. The EMA is going into the price, so the bulls are strong instead of the price going into the EMA. Bulls get that leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. That's a bull flag, bear breakout, and they get a vacuum test of the low here. Let me zoom in. This is super small. So there's that reverse flag. We're sitting at the highs, sideways price action. Test, vacuum test the low of 33. Bears try and keep going. They want to tag the higher time frame EMA. Bar 64 traps bears. Bulls get the rally into the EMA, but the EMA is still acting as resistance. And I think Bears got short here again for micro leg one, pull back leg two. Oh, my mouse just tweaked out. So leg one, deep pullback, testing the breakout, testing this gap right here. So there is a gap being tested. So this bar is testing the midpoint of that gap. Sells off for leg one, leg two, leg what? Oh, never mind. Leg one, back leg two. This gives the Bears an opportunity who got trapped out here to get out around this price. So Bears buy back their shorts, bulls buy the lows. That creates the bullish breakout, and they get 50 more minutes till the market closes. But bulls definitely want to keep that. They want to keep the price. Did I delete the range? I did delete the. Oh, okay. Bulls want to keep the price above yesterday's high. So because that'll give them trending highs on the daily. It's about 7 minutes, kind of a short one. I did make a Discord. Yeah, thanks for joining. I didn't really expect that many people to join, so if you guys want the invite, just let me know. I was just gonna like do the invites out on the weekend and just, cause I don't want people to just bombard it if people were gonna bombard it, so just kind of let people filter in, but just let me know if you want it right away. I'm not trying to exclude anyone. I just don't want to get overwhelmed with 1,000, different things. So thanks for joining. We're just chilling in there. I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching these videos. Have a good one. Have a good week. Use your stop loss or don't listen to what I just said. Use your stop loss. That was a joke. Use your stop loss. Okay. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.